Hey guys, it's Sydney. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Sydney. I'm a curly hair specialist. I've been doing hair for 6 years now, and I also do content on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, all the things. So I did take a break from YouTube for about a year. Last year, I just didn't feel like myself. My hair wasn't doing good. I was going through a transition of hair, and it's finally getting to where I'm like confident again with it, and I want to share how I transform my hair. Again, you all already know that I already had a transition once, and now this is my second time transitioning my hair. The first time was like high school and, straightening hair, not using the right products, stuff like that. And this time I thought I had it figured out, and I used a brand that caused chemical damage, Devacurl, and that really relaxed my hair, and I could not figure out what was going on with my curls. So in today's video, I'll be giving you 5 tips that you can use today to start your curly hair journey. Literally, you'll see a difference if you do these 5 things. I'm also going to be showing you how I refresh my hair and what's been working for me on this journey. So if you want to know how I got these refresh results, keep on watching. First off, with refreshing, Rizzo's Curls Refreshing Spray is super underrated. I feel like nobody talks about this product, and literally you don't even need water most of the time. You can use this on wash day as a leave-in. You can use it as a refreshing spray, all the things. So I'm going to be starting with this. I am going to wet my hair because I am on about day 4 or 5. So I do want to add a little bit of moisture with some water as well. Then I'll be going in with the Ouidad Advanced Climate Control Heat and Humidity Gel. Depending on what I styled with is what I'll use to refresh. For this wash, I did do Kinky Curly Leave-In and Ouidad Gel. But I don't feel like I need that leave-in anymore. Like, I don't want to weigh my hair down. So this is a great alternative, and I'll show you why. So if you spray it, I personally like to spray it in my hand. You can see it is still a creamy base. So let's take, see how this curl is? Let's take this. You can literally, look at that. That's it. And the frizz up here. So usually I will just do this and it will, see that? Redefine. Now, like I said, I am going to add some water. So go in with a little bit of water first. Number 1, you all know I'm a hairstylist. So what am I going to tell you to do? Cut it. Cut the damage. It is not worth. If I would have held on to the damage I had from Devacurl and try to grow it out, I would not be here today. My hair would not look this defined and the texture almost back, okay? So, no, we're not doing that, right? Now we're going in with Rizzo's Curls Refreshing Spray. Like that. Number 2. Clarify your hair. Please use shampoo. Do not listen to the no sulfate ever. Don't listen to that. Once a month, once to twice a month. That has helped me tremendously. Okay, like literally, yes. Obviously, before the whole curly girl method, when we were in middle school, or me in middle school, washing my hair every day with the sulfate, obviously that's going to be drying. But if you're using sulfate once to twice a month to get rid of buildup, that should not be a problem, especially if you're following up with a good deep conditioner or a bond treatment. Number 3, for transitioning, get you a good water filter. I live here in Kentucky. We have hard water. Well, I think we're like in the middle, but I've literally washed my hair twice since I got this water filter. It's made the biggest difference. My sister's hair as well. We've both seen a difference in our skin, hair. It's just better for you. I will link the one I got in my Amazon store below. I do earn a commission on that if you want to help me out. But that shower head is already filtered inside. So you don't have to like buy the filter, then buy the shower head. It's already in one, good to go. Next, I'm following up with the Ouidad Gel. Your hair is protein, right? So doing a protein treatment at least once a month is gonna help if you have any limp curls or you need to reverse damage because your hair is made of protein. So you gotta put protein back from being damaged. Does that make sense? Deep conditioning, I've been slacking, but I do feel like my hair has gotten healthier to the point where I don't really need to deep condition every week. When it was really damaged, I did once a week. Now that it's getting healthier, I feel like I don't want to over moisturize my hair, so I'll do every other week usually. It's like in 2 on the time. I've usually done like in the shower, so it's like 4 minutes that it stays in. But once a month, I'll try to get out of the shower, put it in, and leave it in for 15 to 30 minutes. As you can see, my hair is wet. Before I go in and diffuse, I am going to re-wet my roots. I do this because if I don't, it just looks flat and I just prefer volume. So I like just take it on the root and re-wet a decent amount so that when you do diffuse, you get that extra lift. I am going in with the Lynn hair dryer. It looks very similar to the Dyson, but my Dyson broke on me after 2 years. It shut off. And my warranty was already up. So, a wasted $400. I do have a coupon code if you do want to save money on that. I will link it below. Let's get started. I'm going to start at my roots. I'm using medium heat, high speed. Here are my results from this refresh. I'm obsessed. Look at that definition and shine. They're so defined. So if you want to check out these products, I'll have them linked below. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I also have my other socials in the description box if you want to follow them. Don't forget to comment what other videos you'd like to see. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.